Now, when you have these patients of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, you're done with the differentials and you have a definitive diagnosis of ALS, we must know that there is no particular or no complete cure to this disease. And basically, the drugs that are under trial or the drugs of choice are riluzole, which is usually prescribed as a dose of 100 milligrams per deciliter to these patients. So this is the only therapy, this is the only medication that has been devised for these patients of ALS. And usually they respond very well to this kind of a treatment. And the goal of the treatment is basically to improve the generalized muscle tone in the individual so that he or she can perform the daily activities of his or her life. As we have discussed, the prognostic factors are not quite bright for these patients. Usually patients who are diagnosed with ALS, half of the people live for almost 3 years or even less than that. So it's not quite a very good prognostic factor. The prognosis is not that good after the diagnosis is made. And a lot of support, a lot of social support is needed in this case. So awareness has to be created. Even the caregivers have to be educated in a particular way because it's basically a debilitating disease, and sometimes the patient is not even able to get up from his bed and perform his normal activities, the normal routine activities that he or she was able to perform previously. So this has to be communicated to the patient as well, and this has to be communicated to the caregivers as well, because a lot of social support is needed, and that is why a lot of awareness has to be created regarding this particular disease and how it develops and what is the cause of the disease in the individuals.